How to fix Suno AI vocals. So to effectively fix vocal issues when using Suno AI, particularly voice distortion or quality degradation, so you have to follow some of the strategies which I use myself, and this really helped me a lot. So you have to understand the problem here. Many users experience voice distortion when generating longer song with Suno AI because it is still in developing process, right? I mean, Suno AI just released their version 4 here, right? And it just gives you a crisper audio, better lyrics, more creative song structure. So when you just ask Suno AI to create a very long song, obviously there would be some problems, right? Now, this issue often arises as the AI appears to get tired, leading to a decline in audio quality over extended duration. So, yeah, the first thing, the solution which I'm going to talk about, the first solution is break the song into sections. So, if you see here, this is a fresh songs and this is pretty good one. But if you just play this up, you will see the songs is not as big, right? So you can generate into parts here, combine using DAW. If you don't know what is DAW, digital audio workstation, to splice their sections together. This method help maintain quality and allow for smoother transitions between parts. The second thing is generate whole song for each section. When creating each part of the song, right, opt to generate the entire section rather than snippets. This approach help maintain the stylish or consistency throughout the track. Now, change style or lyrics. Switching style or altering lyrics periodically can refresh the AI processing, preventing it from becoming fatigue and improving output quality. Use vocal isolation tool. You can download the songs, export to song from Suno, and employ tools like kits.ai or EASU for vocal isolation. This platform allow you to separate vocals from music tracks very efficiently, right? You can use this and you can also utilize custom prompts here, which is really good. So it's completely depend how you use the Suno AI. I've shown you some of the strategies and methods, and if you found this video very useful, subscribe.